Hello, Mrs. DeBose here, and today we're working on lesson 4.4, where we write linear equations in all three forms. So all three forms. So we got started here with slope-intercept, and then we worked with point-slope form, and finally standard form. And so that's what we're going to work with on this lesson is writing equations, linear equations in those different forms. Now let's look at A. Here we are given that the line passes through a point 4, -6 and has a slope of 2. Well, let's think back quick. What is point-slope form? Point-slope form is y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. I am given a point, x1, y1, and the slope. That's why it's called point-slope form. And that's what I have here. So let's get started. I am going to call for x1 and designate -6 as y1, and my slope is 2. So that's the information I need now. Plug it into point-slope form. So using my formula, y minus, in this case, y1 is equal to m, 2, times the quantity x minus x1. And truly, we need to clean this up. 2 negatives in a row, y plus 6 is equal to 2 times the quantity x minus 4. That is my point-slope form. Now let's do slope-intercept. If you recall, slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. So notice it's y equal to everything else, no parentheses. So we need to take this equation and do some work with it. So y plus 6 is equal to 2. We have to distribute 2 times everything in the parentheses. 2x minus 8. And now again, need to solve for y. Slope-intercept, slope-intercept. Subtracting 6 from both sides. I have an answer, y is equal to 2x minus 14. So there we go, looking good. Now let's do one more, standard form. Now you might want to remember standard form is ax plus by is equal to c, where a, b, and c have to be integers. No decimals, no fractions. So that means we need to work this equation here around so that it's ax plus by equals c. So working with that, let me pull this down here so I have a little room to work. All right, we need to get that x term over on the other side. And so when we do that, we have a negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 14. And there we've taken that first situation that we were given, a point and a slope, and we've written the linear equation in all three forms, point-slope, slope-intercept, and standard form. Good times. Stay tuned for example B.